Changing your phone number on your Amazon seller account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Amazon Seller Central website and log in using your seller account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select your account info. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find a section labeled Business Information or Seller Account Information. Here, you will see your current phone number. Click on the Edit button next to it to change your number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on your Amazon seller account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon seller support for assistance.